Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday, and we're continuing to track some of these rain and snow showers drifting from the northwest down towards the southeast. Just like on News Watch 12 this morning, the main coverage is along and west of the Cascades, although some of these showers are starting to get to the east side now, and we'll continue to see that trend as we head into the afternoon and evening. More on that in a second. First, temperatures still below freezing for the east side, still right at freezing for the Mount Shasta City area, but within our west side valleys and there along the coast, temperatures are above freezing, but it's still definitely not feeling spring-like. So we'll go ahead and put all this into motion with Stormcast. We'll stop this right around dinner time. You can see it's widespread, scattered rain and snow showers, and now they're starting to get to the east side and down into Siskiyou County. But overnight, it's going to be over on the east side and down in Siskiyou County where we dry out, but you'll notice we go through the same cycle on Tuesday because those same areas are going to be dry in the morning with some rain and snow showers possible along and west of the Cascades and to the north of the Siskiyous. But then into the afternoon and evening, again, we're going to have more of everything on the radar sliding over to the east side and down into Siskiyou County. It does look like we get a little bit drier into Tuesday evening and into Wednesday morning. Wednesday is probably going to be the driest day this week, but then we're tracking another storm system into Thursday. More on that in a second. First, some of the water totals we're expecting from this storm system, and we could have upwards of maybe an inch of water up in the mountains, maybe half an inch for the coast, and then less impressive totals elsewhere. This would be through Tuesday night. So in comparison to some of the storm systems we had last week, this is on the drier end of the scale, but still some beneficial moisture. We'll take every drop we can get as we head towards the end of wet season. Snow levels are going to stay pretty consistently low over the next 48 hours, only topping out around 2,000 feet for this afternoon and evening, which means that places like Ashland and Sexton Summit and Jacksonville Hill will likely just see snow today. Then overnight, we'll see snow levels going down to around 500 feet. That means we could see a transition back to snow in places like Medford. And then for tomorrow, we'll pretty much go through the exact same cycle, except snow levels will be a smidge higher. Here's some of these projected snowfall totals through Tuesday night, and those impacts are going to be maximized along the Cascades, along the Siskiyous, and elevations above 2,500 feet. But no total on this map really jumps off the map other than Mount Ashland, where we can get some more fresh powder there. Also, we'll deal with wind gusts today. It seems like all these storm systems as of late haven't just been rain and snow. It's also been winds coming along for the ride. And this storm system is no exception, as we could have winds gusting upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour today for the coast and for the east side. So where we do get some snow showers on the east side today, it could also be some blowing snow because of the combination of the snow and wind. So for today, it's going to be blustery, it's going to be chilly, it's going to be not a lot of fun outside, and the best coverage of snow showers will be along and west of the Cascades and to the north of the Siskiyous. Then overnight, we'll dry out for the east side and for most of Siskiyou County. Winds will back off for the most part, except for the east side and for the Cascades. And then, like I mentioned, we'll gradually dry out into Tuesday and Wednesday, but then that next storm system for Thursday posing a risk for some flooding, as snow levels are going to be up there between 4,000 and 6,500 feet. So whenever you have rain falling on top of existing snowpack, that poses the threat for some localized flooding, and that problem is only going to get compounded by the fact we'll have additional snow melt into the weekend because temperatures are going to get so warm, which might make a certain meteorologist very, very happy. Here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see plenty of wet weather over the next 6 days. Then we will dry out in the nick of time right on Easter Sunday. For Siskiyou County, we'll have the chance for some snow showers today, drying out for Tuesday, another small chance for some snow showers on Wednesday, and then wet for Thursday and Friday, likely reaching 70 degrees by Easter Sunday, and we'll likely make it above 60 degrees for the east side. So a big-time change of pace. We haven't been this warm since September, October. Then for the Cascades and Siskiyous, we're going to see the snowpack melting towards the end of the week with those warmer temperatures and some sunshine. And then for the Rogue Valley, we'll have another chance at some snow for Tuesday morning, just rain for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Then sunshine and warmer temperatures for Easter Sunday.